Quick reading for December the 11th to December the 12th, Earth signs. Kung isa-summarize ko to, or if I can put this reading into one word, pwede natin sabihin ang title nito is Daget. No? Why? Alam mo yung parang kalapate na ah, mag-isa ka, lumilipad ka mag-isa, dadating si person, no? Bigla ka parang kukunin. So sort of like parang merong kidnap, what have you. Yung parang ganun lang yung idea ha. So it can be na meron kayong separations, no? So separations can be physical or energetic. So biglang nawala si person, magpapakita, sasabihin, alam mo, siguro mas maganda, so kakausapin ka nito, mas maganda siguro kung bubukod na tayo, lilipat tayo ng lugar, sumama ka na sa akin. Ang nakakainis dito kasi, parang, yes, gusto mong mangyari yon, pero parang ang biglaan, parang hindi ka bibigyan ng sapat na panahon para makapag-isip. So, I don't know with you, this is very short reading. Baka mamaya magpasko at magbagong taon ka sa ibang lugar, but together with your person. This is your quick reading, Earth's signs for December the 11th to December the 12th.
Predicting future is my purpose.